Hello, welcome back. It's Paul Rowe here, the founder and Chief Generative Engine Optimization Officer and CEO at NeuralAdX Ltd. So today we are going to run another live screen recording test of our live AI retrieval series, which is test number 3, part 2. So the first actual test itself was inaugurated on the 6th of January 2026, and today's date, just let me confirm it at the top, if you look at the screen, I hit enter, is Thursday the 19th of February, so very close to essentially 6 weeks later. And we're just going to see where we are, how we are surfacing, I should say, in the 4 AI platforms that we always test, which are arguably the most important and most used, being Google AI Mode, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, and ChatGPT. Now, this particular prompt is as follows. Which UK Generative Engine Optimisation specialist has demonstrated the most comprehensive real-world proof of achieving high rankings in AI platforms? So you see, with these retrieval tests, I'm trying to do as realistic prompts as possible to what a potential business owner would put in as a search term in a chatbot to find a generative engine optimization company such as ourselves. Okay, so I think that's a pretty astute prompt that somebody would search for. So as I say, commencing on, we'll put it through the 4 platform. So starting now with AI mode, let's see what the results provide us with. It didn't look like we came up there. Okay, so straight away when I have a look, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've come in 4th position. On the image carousel, unfortunately, we haven't shown. Is there any more information regarding us at the bottom? No, there's not. Just other agencies. And unfortunately, at the moment, for whatever reason it is, there's not that much explicit citations being given in the AI chatbots at the moment. I think there was a bug, allegedly. Lily Ray was talking about that, but either way, that's the current tensor situation there. But the crux of it being here in Google AI mode, we've landed in the 4th surfaced position. So now pasting the same query into Microsoft Copilot, let's see what their feedback is. Okay, there you can see the smile come straight to my face. We come up as the #1 surfaced answer, NeuralAdX Ltd, and we have a beautiful explicit citation there that will take you to our glorious website. Moving further down, it goes on to advertise us further. So here's what differentiates them from UK GEO agencies: public, reproducible proof of results. What we're doing now. NeuralAdX has published 2 case studies with Google Search Console image evidence. Well, actually, no, I've provided 3, and I'm going to provide another 3 shortly. A continuous screen recording test, yes, indeed, showing rankings of #1 in ChatGPT, 1 in Perplexity, 1 in Copilot, and #3 in Google AI mode. Yes, that is true, but for other search prompts, we've got even better results. So have a look on our proof page if you want to see them. Moving further down, is there any more about the ever wonderful NeuralAdX? And here we are again, the final answer. Oh my God, it's like a your company's named, you're given surfaced as the #1 surfaced answer, and then at the end it gives you a gold star with a final answer conclusion, and it gives NeuralAdX Ltd. And another explicit citation. I nearly missed that one. And at the bottom, we are the #1 source. So I have to say, off of this result, we do indeed love Microsoft Copilot. So moving on into Perplexity, let us see how we surface here. So I want to close that window. Ah, this is a glorious day. It didn't start out so good, but this is making it glorious. Among UK-based generative engine optimization specialists, NeuralAdX Ltd currently appears to have the strongest public real-world proof of achieving high rankings across multiple AI platforms. and we have an explicit citation. Then they mention us again, why NeuralAdX stands out. I'm not going to read all that out. And another explicit citation, and another explicit citation, and another explicit citation. So that's 4 explicit citations. And then even more mentions down here as well of the company name. So yes, absolutely flooding with positivity from that result. Now let us have a look in ChatGPT what the results say. Come on, give us a number 1. You can do it. Ah, here we go again. They're using the SEO agencies. What is going on with ChatGPT at the moment? So, okay, they're giving the number 1 answer is distilled. As you even see here, Distilled, which merged with Brain Labs, is a top SEO agency in the UK. The query was for generative engine optimization, Mr. ChatGPT chatbot. You're not processing the queries accurately, are you? And so, unfortunately, it's given the primary surface responses with SEO agencies. And once here, again, number 2, InLinks, what they do, InLinks is an SEO company. And then they've got SEO Works. So they're not even providing any generative engine optimization companies. So it would appear something seems to be awry with ChatGPT at the moment, because I did another live retrieval test about 20 minutes ago, and the same thing was happening regarding another GEO query. It was giving SEO results. So unfortunately, this is inconclusive, this particular result, which is frustrating because we had 3 in a row there where we surfaced, and it would have been nice to have had a 4th, but this is the reality of AI engines. They're not perfect. They're upgrading all the time. And in some circumstances, even when you're as optimized as possible, it will make an error. So it's out of your hands. But isn't that just the nature of life in some instances? Okay, well, that brings everything to a beautiful cessation. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you have any questions or queries on GEO, as always, please do leave a comment in the video comment section below, and it will be an absolute joy to get back to you. And I do mean that, because I love what I do. Okay, thank you so much indeed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.